Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Bitget password. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open up your Bitget app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page, you'll see your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. In the new interference, you'll see an arrow right below the setting button. Click on it. You'll see profile security and notification. Click on security. Then scroll all the way down till you see login password. In the following screen, you'll see the option to create your new password. Click on to your new password, confirm your new password and hit on submit. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that thumbs up button. And if you have any problem, comment down below. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.